Greetings, everybody, and welcome to Leadership in a Global Society. I'm really excited about this opportunity to work with you all, and so looking forward to seeing everybody again on January 21st for our first face-to-face session. And as a way of getting started, I wanted to just talk about a few things and go over a couple of things in the syllabus and talk about the class a little bit. And I encourage all of you to post any questions that you have in the primary question and answer forum in the class Moodle. So let's take a look then at the syllabus, and I'll point out just a couple of things on the syllabus. First of all, I wanted to make note of that big note there in red that says it's subject to change. And I did that because I wanted to allow some flexibility in terms of some subsequent readings further on in the course, and maybe adapting some activities for the online forum, and also to hear from you what's been working well in the online environment and what suggestions you have for how to utilize that most effectively. And in particular, what kinds of experiences you have already in leading in global environments so that we can incorporate that into the course. The course goals are listed here, and if you've got any questions about any of those, let me know. We will be spending some time on the theoretical underpinnings and the background and the development of the field of global leadership development, and working towards having you articulate your own personal philosophy of leadership, effective leadership in a global context, as well as doing some assessments and defining of where you're at in your journey of becoming effective global leaders, both in terms of skills and global mindset. Other parts of the goals are related to scholarly writings, and so when we go over the assignments, you'll see what some of those are. The attendance and everything is listed there, the grade assignments. I did want to talk a little bit about the Global Leadership Challenge paper, because this paper is different than other papers that you may have written in the past. The paper at the end of the term will be one solid, cohesive paper, but it will be written in 3 different stages and handed in at 3 different stages. The first part of the paper is problem formulation, in which you will pick a global issue and write about and define that problem from multiple perspectives. The second part of the paper is the literature review, where you will then take a look at what other academic fields and research have written about and said about that issue, and what suggestions they have been made already in terms of addressing that issue. And the third and final part of the paper will be where you will put forward your ideas about how to address that global issue from an effective global leadership perspective. And I want to talk a little bit when we get together about the project presentation and how those might take shape. The critical review paper is an analysis of scholarly writing. You can select a book on global leadership or 2 scholarly articles and write a synopsis of the main points, and then a brief critique on its usefulness in particular environments. If you've got questions about any of the other assignments, again, please post those in the question and answer area. And I will be updating the syllabus, the assignments and everything in the Moodle as we go along. So use that as your fail-safe, and if there's a discrepancy between the syllabus and the Moodle, go with the Moodle. I'm really looking forward to digging into this topic with all of you and learning from your experiences. So I will wait to hear from you online and to see you on January 21st. Thank you.